What is a full-body workout routine?
A full-body workout routine targets all major muscle groups in a single session. This approach is ideal for beginners because it promotes balanced muscle development, helps prevent imbalances and injury, and typically requires fewer days in the gym. By working the entire body each session, you also boost overall strength, burn more calories, and build a strong fitness foundation.
How many days per week should I train?
For beginners, 2 to 3 days per week is recommended. This allows your body enough time to recover while still making progress. It's important to have at least one rest day between workouts to help your muscles repair and grow. Consistency over time is more important than training every day, especially when starting out.
Which exercises should I include?
Focus on fundamental movements that target all major muscle groups. Include exercises like squats or lunges for legs, push-ups or chest presses for the chest, rows for the back, shoulder presses, core exercises like planks, and some light cardio as a warm-up. Choose 1 or 2 exercises per muscle group for balance and simplicity.
How many sets and reps are best for beginners?
Start with 1 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions per exercise. This rep range helps build strength and muscle endurance without causing excessive fatigue. Use a weight or resistance level that feels challenging but allows you to maintain good form throughout all reps. It's important to focus on proper technique rather than lifting heavy.
How can I make my routine safe and effective?
Add your practice routine before you begin. Use controlled movement, breathe steadily, and avoid rushing through sets. Listen to your body. Gradually increase intensity as you get stronger. And consider consulting a fitness professional for personalized advice if needed.
Do I need equipment to get started?
No special equipment is required for a beginner full-body routine. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, planks, and lunges are effective and can be done at home. As you progress, you can add resistance bands, dumbbells, or other equipment to increase the challenge and variety.